For nearly 3 decades, smartphones have been at the heart of our daily lives, revolutionizing the way we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. But what if this ubiquitous device is on the brink of obsolescence? Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg envisions a world where smart glasses replace smartphones as our primary digital tool. These devices promise to integrate augmented reality seamlessly into our daily lives, offering features like holographic displays, AI-powered assistance, and real-time translation. Imagine navigating a new city with step-by-step directions appearing right before your eyes, or receiving notifications and messages without diverting your attention from the world around you. At Meta's annual Connect developer event, Zuckerberg introduced Orion, the company's latest advancement in AR technology. These glasses aim to provide an immersive experience, potentially rendering smartphones obsolete. Meta isn't alone in this vision. Companies like Apple and Google are also investing heavily in AR technology, signaling a potential industry-wide shift towards wearable computing. While smartphones have dominated the past 3 decades, the next era of personal technology may well be defined by smart glasses, ushering in a new paradigm of how we connect with the world and each other. The end of smartphones, as we know them, might be closer than we think. Are you ready to see the world through a new lens?